Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a quick video on a Hornby live steam engine. This is the Seagull. Whoops, focus there. Just starting to warm up. You can see some of the steam coming from the engine. Let's move it up a little bit. Yeah, there's still some condensation in the cylinders. So I have it on superheat mode to get rid of that. Sometimes these do get stuck and you have to like give them a bit of a nudge. But you know what? I don't think I've had any of my engine actually get stuck to the point where I had to give them a nudge. You can see the steam coming from the stack here. And once it gets a full head of steam, it'll start moving. I might not have the steam valve open all the way, and that's what you're controlling with these. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you can see the steam coming from the cylinders also there. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up everything. I don't want it to go too high of pressure because then it's gonna take off like crazy. I'd rather have it go slowly. I am pulling quite a few cars. 1, 2, 3, 11 cars. I know I'm missing one. I have one at the back there. I should have another coal car somewhere. But anyway, usually I do a dozen cars, but 11 is enough. There we go. Now it's starting to go. It'll pull these no problem. I'm gonna bring it down a bit here. Let me change the controller setting for a second here and see what's going on. I just think the steam valve, just open it up a bit more. Yeah, I have this the controller on the other side here. Okay, looks like it's gonna be okay now. You don't want to go like full speed with these, it'll fly off the table. These pull like crazy. And I'm not going to open the steam valve up all the way either. So I run it in superheat mode for a bit just to burn off all the condensation. Then I put it in run mode. And yeah, it's running pretty good. Well, this Seagull's a pretty good engine. I actually think it's running better than my Mallard that I have. That's almost identical to this type of engine. Well, actually, all the Hornby live steam are pretty well the same. Like I said, I'm not going to open the steam valve up all the way because and have it go into full speed, because this will just it'll go out of control. I would need more coaches on it so that it doesn't go out of control. I don't have enough on it right now. There's only, like I said, 11. I would have to put double these on this large track that I have here. If I was going to open the steam valve up. There's no startup sequence or shutdown sequence. Actually, the startup sequence is actually putting oil in the oil chest and water in the boiler and warming it up. Actually putting it in superheat mode and getting the water to boil in the boiler. That's really the startup sequence. And then slowly opening the steam valve until you get it to start moving. Okay, I just wanted to make a short video today. Hornby live steam. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.